Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from CVS. We're a little bit late this week because we had the Christmas holiday yesterday. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas if you do celebrate it. Otherwise, I hope you still had an awesome day. So this video is going to be a little bit different than our normal weekly CVS hauls because I am in the store with no plan, no coupons. We really just have vibes that we are going off of, but we're still going to make some good things happen. So if you follow me on Instagram, I told you guys that I had gotten started with a brand new CVS card. So I went and got a brand new CVS card last week, and I wanted to take you guys along with me while I get that card started and get some extra bucks on it. So the first deal I wanted to do on that card was actually a cosmetics deal on the Physicians formula. So that is why we are in this section. So my store is not tagged, but the Physicians formula is actually buy two, get back $10 in extra bucks this week. And even though the promotion says it's not working on the sharpeners, it's working on the sharpeners, at least for now. Don't know how long that'll last. But these Physicians formula sharpeners are $2.99. So you can buy two with no coupons required, pay out $6, get back 10, an easy $4 moneymaker. You can do this deal online if you can find it in stock online, or you can just come into the store and do it like I am doing it here. So with my brand new CVS card that I just started, they actually sent me a welcome extra buck email. So it had $4 in extra bucks in it that I thought would be perfect for this deal. So that is the deal that I'm going to do. I'm going to use that $4 in free extra bucks that CVS gave me for getting this card started, and we're going to use it to pay for this Physicians formula and to make money with CVS's money. And when you're doing this Physicians Formulas deal, I know it's going to be very tempting to pick up some of these clearance products because it would seem like these are a better deal than the full price ones, giving back $10 in extra bucks when you buy two. But clearance does not work on extra buck promotions, so do not pick up any of the clearance items. Only get the full price items, and if your store has the sharpeners, definitely grab those. So let's go buy two of these sharpeners for $2.99. Use that $4 in free extra bucks and see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, so here's a close-up of my receipt for the Physicians formula. As you can see, I bought the two sharpeners for $2.99 each. I used that $4 in extra bucks that CVS gave me for signing up for the extra care card. I paid $198 plus tax out of pocket, and then I did get back the $10 for buying those two. And they gave me back a free $2 in extra bucks, I guess, just for making a purchase since this card is new, which is really nice because that made this deal a $10 moneymaker. So I've literally spent out $2 of my own money getting this card started, but now I have $12 in extra bucks that I can use moving forward. So this $10 moneymaker is all I'm going to do on this brand new card. I'm going to wait until next week to do more deals on it when the deals are more robust. So we're going to hold this right here, and now I'm switching over to my normal CVS card. I've already used my 32% off coupon that I had for this week online. I'll show you what I picked up online. It was a really nice deal. But if I had held it till I came in store, I would have done this deal on the Olay. So the Olay is buy two, get back 7 this week. We don't have any manufacturer coupons that I know of. Haven't even checked the PNG, but I'm going to keep this video all digital anyway. So if we were to pick up two of these products at $8.49, you can get the bar soap or you can get the body wash. That'll total you up to $16.98. So if you have a 32% off coupon, you can add that into this deal. Remember not to pay with extra bucks. You can bring your total down for two of these products to $11.54 at the register. So $11.54, and then you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. It'll make it $4.54 for two packs of these, or like $2 and some change a piece, which is a decent price for Olay. And if you would prefer to grab the Old Spice instead of the Olay, the Old Spice is included in that same promotion, so you can do two of those instead. And the Old Spice is about 50 cents cheaper. The next one I want to talk about is this buy one, get one 40% off on Neutrogena facial care. So this is the facial care products. So you can do a lot of different scenarios with this. I think the cheapest one is probably grabbing these Neutrogena facial bars for $2.99. These products are buy one, get one 40% off. So two of those facial bars will total you up to $4.78. You can pay $4.78, get back four, and makes them just 39 cents each. All right, you guys. So next thing we're going to do is the spend 30, get 10, because I feel like we haven't grabbed laundry products in a couple weeks. So we're going to start out by getting some Tide. We're going to get this big liquid for $12.99. We got a $3 digital. Then we're going to get the big Tide pods for $12.99. We got a $3 digital. And then I'm also going to get some Unstoppables for $5.49. We have a $1 digital. If you don't want the Unstoppables, you can also get the Tide pods, the small bag, and use the $1 digital instead. All right, you guys, so these three products are going to total us up to $31.47. So now we have met the requirements to get back that $10 in extra bucks. So we're going to use the $3 digital here, $3 digital here, $1 digital here. That is going to bring us down to $24.47. Then we're going to get back $10 in extra bucks, makes our final cost just $14.47 for all three products. But if you add in a threshold coupon like I'm going to do, let's say you add in a 6 off of 30, that brings you right on down to just $8.47 for all three items, which is an amazing deal. So what I'm actually going to do is I am going to do the spend 30, and I'm going to add in two of the Physicians Formula products. This is $6.79, this is $2.99 to get me up to the $40 mark. I have an 8 off of 40 coupon that I'm going to work into my deal that'll take $8 off of all of these. Then we'll have $7 off of this. So at the register, after my 8 off of 40 and my $7 in digitals, I should pay $26 roughly. Then I should get back $20, $10 for each deal. That's going to make my final cost for all 5 items just $6 out of pocket, which I think is awesome for these laundry products that we're getting. Another easy deal that we have this week is on paper products. If you need those, you can grab the Cottonelle, or you can also get the Viva. These are spend 20, get back $5 in extra bucks. So pick up 2 of them of your choice. The Cottonelle works out to a better deal because we have coupons on the Cottonelle website, and we also have rebates. Pick up 2 of these, that'll total you up to $20.98. If you want to, you can print off some printable coupons from the Cottonelle website. I think they're like 65 cents each in value. That'll bring you down to $19.68 at the register. Then you'll get back a $5 extra buck, and you can submit over to 2 different rebate apps. You can get $1 on each pack on Ibotta, and you can also get 50 cents from Fetch Rewards if you have this offer. That'll make your final cost for these to about $12 or $6 each. Christmas clearance is 50% off currently at CVS. That is not my price of choice when it comes to holiday clearance, but if it is your price, then you can definitely check out the deals that they have at 50% off. I'm going to hold tight for these to drop lower. Next deal I'm going to be grabbing is on the paparazzi, because I noticed that some of these are on clearance for just $1.49. So I have a 3 off of 2 CVS coupon that will have to be reduced down at the register, but should make 2 of these completely free since 2 of them will total up to $2.98. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go check out with my next transaction. Now, I could make this transaction a little bit cheaper if they had another one of the eye pencil sharpeners and swap that out for this one, since I have the paparazzi that would have me over 40. But since they don't have but one of those left, I'm going to have to keep it in the transaction. But do keep that in mind if you're working with an 8 off of 40 and you have that paparazzi, that you could get 2 of those and make this deal over $3 cheaper. right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is the Tide and the Downy, there is the Paparazzi, there is the Physicians Formula. All of our digital coupons came off along with our 8 off of 40. I went to a cashier so that I could pick up that Paparazzi for free. Had I have gone to a self-checkout lane, that would not have worked out for me because it has to be reduced down, that 3 off of 2, to $1.49 each to take off that $2.98. So unless you have a cashier that presses apply on that, it won't come off. So that is why I went to a cashier for that transaction. Then I rolled in $25 in extra bucks. After my extra care bucks change, that came down to 52 cents total. And then I did get back $20 in extra bucks, 10 for the spend 30, and then I also got back 10 for the Physicians Formula. So that ended up costing us $5.52 for that transaction with our laundry products. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to show you how I used my 32% off coupon this week. If you watched my video from a few weeks ago, y'all know I had ordered the Conair blow dryer when they were on sale, buy one, get back 10 or something like that, and the store canceled it out. So I still needed to get a blow dryer. So I decided to do it this week. So I grabbed this Infinity Pro blow dryer. These are $28.99. And then I also used a 5 off of 20 coupon that I found on couponcabin.com. And I use that 32%. Now, if you don't have a 32% off coupon, there is a 20% off coupon that is available that will bring this deal down as well. But of course, the 32% was higher, so I decided to roll with that. Then I also added in the Neutrogena deal. These were $4.78 for 2. Buy 2, get back $4 in extra bucks. So for this deal, I'm going to be getting back a total of $14 in extra bucks because this week the Conair is buy 1, get back $10 in extra bucks. So with the 32% off and the 5 off of 20 that I used, my total for both of these deals came up to about $19. I'll put the exact total up on the screen. Because I was doing this deal online, I was able to roll extra bucks into this deal. So I rolled in the $19 and I paid like 49 cents plus tax out of pocket. And then I got back a total of $14 in extra bucks, 4 for the Neutrogena, and then 10 for the blow dryer, making my final cost $5 for these 3 items. All right, you guys, so this is it for me for CVS this week. In and out, quick and easy like, but mission accomplished. I got my new card started, so that card should start to receive coupons. Within the next couple weeks, we'll keep working with that new card, and we got it started out for the cheap. So now that card has $12 in extra bucks on it that we can roll from week to week, and we only spent $2 out of pocket. So that $10 moneymaker really helped pay for the other deals that I did in today's trip, the online transaction that I did that cost about $5, and the in-store transaction that cost about $5. We ended up only spending under $1 today with that $10 moneymaker. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if you have not already. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Have a happy new year if I don't talk to you before then. Bye, you guys.